Hello, this is Josh from Advanced Camping, bringing you another video tour. This one of a brand new 2024 Roadtrek Play. This is the full-size version, so you'll be able to sleep north to south, if you will, with the twin bed configuration. So full-size will give you that opportunity with the gap in the middle so you can easily get out. I know that's been a popular thing. This also has the smart package with the 300 watts of solar, TV antenna, and TV built right in. So it's kind of fully loaded from the factory. You got a 400 amp hour 400 amp hour AGM battery that will run your air conditioner for, depending on the temperature, a couple hours, few hours, just depending on how hot it is. And yeah, you're also going to get Roadtrek's 2-year warranty. This is on the new 2023 Ram as well. You can see the front end is a little more sleek, a little more compact. Just looks a little newer, you know, definitely more streamlined and aerodynamic. So we're going to have a nice power awning on the outside of our Play here. We'll have patio lights, of course, permanent running board. Some people do prefer that over the power running boards as one less thing to go wrong potentially. The new Rams will have the new rims here coming to the back. We'll have our hitch, wiring. We'll have our input for fresh water, city water. That's got a water regulator built right into it. Shore power is going to be right over there, 30 amp shore power. And we're also going to have our cable TV input. Yeah, most people are streaming nowadays, but I suppose if the campground has it for a few bucks extra, why not? This is going to be the back of our Play, so there'll be good storage back here. And yeah, this is all going to get moved. This is the carpet for up in front there, and then there is 3 seat belts in the back, so you can seat 5. It does have the pull down. It's more like a tent flap almost, where that will pull down, and then you can zip open on the inside, and then it becomes a screen. But right when it drops, it gives you privacy from the back 2 doors. You'll also notice our table is right here in the back, and that will be used for either in the front or the back of the coach when you're inside. Okay. And we'll have our outside shower right here with hot and cold water, becoming more and more rare. More people are just going to cold water outputs. Very all automotive windows here, so very nice looking. Looks very much just like a regular van. There's really no way to tell. You'd really have to be a professional in RVs to know that it is one, so that's a big plus. We're going to have our tankless water heater here, macerator pump down below, which is sort of an easy way to dump all your waste out. Less messy, a little more civilized if you ask me, as you're putting a smaller diameter hose right down on the ground or into the ground, and then you're going back into your climate controlled cabin there and pushing and holding a red button, so you're sort of away from the action, so to speak. Don't want to be where that action's at, I suppose. Okay, just take a quick look around at our new chassis here. New grille, new front end, new headlights. Everything looks very sharp with that chrome up in front. Okay, we're gonna have a screen for our main sliding door here as well, so that's gonna be nice. And it's gonna have a magnetic strip so you can easily enter and exit. No problem there. We're gonna have another pull-up thing here. This can be actually used as a desk if you swivel the rear seat around. And then there's outlets up there, down below there too. But it can also be used as extra kitchen counter space. So sort of a double use item. We love that in our Class Bs. So here is our interior of our Play, 2024 Play. Okay, so we'll have our stainless steel sink, 2-burner propane stove. We'll have our microwave at eye level, which I love. And we'll have our big double door refrigerator and freezer combo also at eye level. You don't have to bend over to try and find all of your items. It's right there where you'd expect it to be, compressor based, so you can run that all the time. Gotta love these big deep storage bins. You have a big pull-out pantry here as well. Plenty of storage for everything you could possibly imagine. That's real deep too, for pots and pans potentially. And you have slow closed doors here as well for some of these, which is going to be nice for your under storage underneath your kitchen there. And this will have, let's see, our 3000 watt inverter, which again is going to let us convert that 12 volt power into 110 power, so we can run the air conditioner or any other 110 appliance such as the microwave. So in other words, when you want air conditioning or any 110 power source, you don't have to think about turning a generator on. It just works, and then all you'd have to do is idle the engine about 45 minutes or so, and you'll have a fully recharged battery. So sort of a self-regenerating battery system, so you never have to plug into power. You have a 37-gallon freshwater tank, huge freshwater tank. So with the combination of that, with unlimited power potential, without needing to be plugged in or hooked up to water, you can really be parked anywhere, which really gives us an advantage over other Class Bs and other RVs in general. You can really just kind of park and go anywhere you want to go. So that's certainly your big plus here. And again, gotta love that the power sofa here goes down, and it's very long on both sides. I'm 6'1", can easily lay down on either side. Some will fill in this gap in the center, some won't, as it's easier to get out of bed if you leave that open. However, you can close that up and it turns into a king-size bed as well. And then there's going to be a table that you can put right there. I think I showed you the table in the back there. There'll be another table up in front when you swivel the two front seats around. Nice big pull-out wardrobe here. Hanging clothes storage. Gives you some extra armrest cushions as well, in case you have guests riding back here. They'll have some armrests, which is always nice. Good overhead storage here. You get an extra window on the full-size Play compared to the Play SRT. So just a little bit more visibility if you're driving or staying back here. So yeah, a lot of windows. They open up quite a ways too, and then there's a pull-over screen, pull-over shade. Very easy to do. We've got reading lights that'll swivel here to kind of point wherever you want to point. Then we'll have our 24-inch smart TV here, so you can stream whatever you'd like. It's built right into the TV, so you can create a Wi-Fi hotspot on your smartphone very easily nowadays. Stream all your favorite things right onto the TV. TV does have an antenna for local channels as well, though, so you can still, if you want to watch the local channels for weather or news updates, you can do that, as that is built in. And then this will swivel 180 degrees, so if you're up in front with the two seats swiveled around, you can see that TV and watch it. Quite nice. And then, yeah, as we go up in front, we'll see there's another pedestal here. So when those two front seats are swiveled, you're going to be good to go for another snack area, lunch area, whatever you'd like to do. Here is our bathroom. It's actually more spacious than it looks, as these two doors kind of TP like this, and they latch like that, so you have more elbow room and just more room in general. The shower curtain does go all the way to the bottom though too, so you can just pull that over. A bigger guy like myself might just be tempted to do that and leave these bigger doors open, so I have maximum elbow room and the water won't drain out. There's a sort of a lip there, quite a high lip, so that's not going to drain out, especially with that shower curtain over. So you have multiple ways, and it's got a tankless water heater, so as much hot water as you want. Remember, you have that big 37-gallon fresh tank, so you can put that to use. Porcelain bowl foot flush toilet. You also have a sink in the bathroom, and you're going to have a nice toiletry area there for storage, and a nice big mirror there. And this is going to be our 2023 Ram chassis. It's going to have that new 9-speed transmission. It's got the nice big touch screen, extra big touch screen. And yeah, that's going to have all the satellite systems on board. So you have satellite navigation, Apple and Android CarPlay. That satellite navigation has gotten really quite good, to the point I might use it above Apple or Android CarPlay's apps, as it'll give you up to the minute reporting on traffic incidents and things like that, and it'll work even when you don't have cell phone reception, so that's going to be quite nice as well. Blind spot assist will be built right in, and it'll have all the new features of the new chassis, wireless charging port right there as well. So yeah, a lot of cool new things. Roadtrek will also opt for this extra little top storage for maps, devices, whatever you might want to use that for. And then there's some extra reading lights up there too, in case you do want to spend some time up here. Maybe you have the bed made up, and then you're going to use this sort of as your lounge area with those swiveled around. So quite nice indeed. So this is going to be our 2024 Roadtrek Play. It's a real beauty. My name's Josh. If you're interested, please do call and ask for me at 414-281-6330. Check out our website for current stock availability and pricing on this model. That's www.advancedcamping.com. That will be listed right on the video here for you. And of course, if you like this video and want to see more, do click the subscribe button. And I'd love to see you again. Thanks, and have a great day.